Good evening. I welcome you for this short briefing about Federal Bank Specialist Chartered Accountants. Which date is your interview, Nikila?
On 9th,
9th, that is day after tomorrow.
day after tomorrow.
When did you receive the call letter?
Yesterday.
See, they do these things very fast, giving very less time for you to prepare also. Number one. See, here I think I must have sent you one more link about credit officer related interview questions. Did you get that?
No, I have credit officer related interview questions. I have received one credit officer interview questions compilation May 2024.
That is the thing. That is very important. This is, I think it must be there in the materials given to you. Even if it is not there, this is what is more important. And most of the questions will be based on this one. I will show you how we have to read from this.
Okay.
This is actually credit officer interview questions for the sake of our, what is that? Punjab National Bank. But what you need is for your federal bank. So now I am giving you one more link. Miss Nikila, I am
Okay.
giving one more link to you.
Okay.
This one will tell you, I will explain what is there in that also later on. In fact, the
Okay.
one that I have just now given, are you seeing the UBI, LBO, Federal Bank, PO, CSA? Are you seeing that online? No.
Which Federal Bank Karnataka, FED Bank Karnataka interview folder.
Oh, no, no, no. This is UBI, Federal Bank, PO, CSA. You are not seeing it.
No, the screen is also not visible.
No, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Yeah, now I have received UBI, LBO, Federal Bank, PO, CSA, March 2025.
This will do. This will do. In this, what is more important, Miss, what is your name? Nikila. This is very, 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 very important. But there is no time for you to study in deep. But I will tell you what you can study. Here,
Okay.
you will see what is the hierarchy of your bank. Okay. You
Okay.
will have details about your bank. MD and CEO, Federal. This one you please go through. Then this is what is more important for you. Nikila, please read these figures. Federal Bank Quarter 4 results.
Federal Bank quarter 4 result as on 31st March 2025. Total business of the bank 5.18 lakhs crore. Total deposit 2.83 lakhs crore. Total net advances 2.35 lakh crore. Net profit for the fourth quarter 1030 crore. Annual net profit 4051. GNPA and NNPA 1.84% and 0.44% respectively. Federal Bank share price as on 5th May 2025 is 191.51. Market capitalization is 470 billion. Return on asset is 1.24. Return on equity is 12.82. CRAR capital risk weighted asset ratio 16.40. Net worth of the banking is 33,121 crore. Provision coverage ratio 75.37.
And this is not required for you. This is for some other bank. Leave it. Now, this is important for you from here. Please read repo rate.
Repo rate 6%, SDF 5.75%, bank rate, MSF rate 6.25, reverse repo rate 3.35, CRR 4% on NDTL, SLR 18% on NDTL, policy stance accommodative, GDP 6.5%.
You are a chartered accountant. Can you tell me what is the meaning of this?
Sir, actually, I don't know what's the meaning of the policy streams accommodative.
Reserve Bank policy is stands accommodative. That is, they want to allow more money to come into the market. This was told in the month of February at the time of introduction of the new budget.
Mm.
So they said government is more accommodative in that they are liberal. They have revised the income tax exemption limit. They have revised the TDS deduction limit for deposit interest, for recovery of interest on, say, recovery in respect of rent, TDS. So many things they have done with a view that middle income people should have more money in the hands so that they will spend more. Okay.
Okay.
Then this is also important. How many fully owned subsidiaries are there in Reserve Bank of India? These are not for chartered accountants. These are normal banking interview questions, which can be expected in your case also.
Okay. Okay.
Then you should know about RBI functions. You should know about SEBI, then credit rating agencies, then sure short questions in any interview. These are the questions. What do you know about federal banks? Why do you want to join federal bank? What is the difference between Canara Bank and Federal Bank? What are the products of this one? Maybe they will not ask you because you are going for credit officer. Then
Mm.
awards received by Federal Bank, CSR activities of Federal Bank, tagline of Federal Bank, your perfect banking partner,
Mm.
then vision and mission of the bank, then latest news about Federal Bank, five current affair news about state, other states, etc. Union ministers list, state cabinet. This one they may not ask, but still you be ready.
Okay.
Once you are ready, there are some examples of chartered accountants being asked, but of course, this is a post for PO sales acquisition. So here also there are certain questions which can be asked for you. For example, NPA, bad debts, difference between NPA and bad debts. Could you follow?
Yes.
Like that questions will come. Then
Okay.
now I will show you this material.
Mm.
Which one? UBI,
Federal
LBO.
UBI.
Are you seeing that now? Yeah.
Yes, I can. The screen is not visible, but the folder I can see UBI LBO Federal Bank. Yeah, now the screen is visible.
This one. Yeah. Miss Nikila, another important file for you. This one, Union Budget Highlights. You are a
Okay.
chartered accountant. So they will ask
Mhm.
you this.
Okay.
Then all those things I have given here, chief minister, governor, etc.
Hmm.
Then these are most common interview questions in any interview. What are your
Hmm.
strengths? What are your weaknesses? Like this, like this. Please go through.
Okay. Okay.
1 minute. Somebody is messaging me. 89035. Yeah. So I was just telling you about this one. Na? What
Yes.
motivates you? What is this thing? You please go through this also.
Hmm.
Then
Sure.
after that, what is important is that that will do. Now I have to take you to credit officer. In the
Okay.
credit officer folder I have given you, I think this is what I have given you, credit officer folder. Amidst that credit officer interview questions, that alone will do, Baba. So this is the question paper. Here I have told you what is the role of a credit officer. Hello. Please go
Hello.
through this. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Then India credit appraisal process procedure. Please read that. Then
Uh,
provisioning norms in banks for NPA
Actually, the
bad debts.
screen is not changed.
Acha, acha, I'm
Uh,
sorry. I was referring you to this one, like
mm,
what is the role of a bank credit officer? Like credit analysis of risk assessment, loan structuring, customer relationship management, compliance and documentation, monitoring and review, credit policy implementation, then monitoring and review, then credit pol. Why it is repeating? Then collaboration with other departments, then credit portfolio management, credit appraisal, credit monitoring and recovery, then application submission, initial screening, credit investigation, then analysis of financial statements, repayment capacity, evaluation of creditworthiness, decision making, documentation, disbursements, monitoring, and follow up. All these things. Okay.
okay. Okay.
Then these provisioning norms. 1 minute. Sumit, your interview is over with CBI or it is tomorrow?
Good evening, sir. Sir, it is on 9th, sir. But I was not able to attend the class, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Due to heavy rainfall and my system, mobile and laptop got switch off, sir. Yes, sir.
It's okay. Today we will have your interview. Don't worry.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
So,
Sir, sorry, sir. I interrupt you. Uh,
hmm,
can I ask you a few questions?
tell me.
Sir, have you talked with anyone who
Nobody
has
else.
appeared?
Nobody has talked to
Nobody.
me so far. Nobody. Only that
Okay, sir.
Agni sent the questions. Others have
Right,
not
sir.
come to me. But believe
Yeah,
me, they cannot ask anything other than what I have been asking.
correct, sir.
इतना एक्सपीरियंस हो गया 4 साल से ये इंटरव्यू का पास में विथ नॉट ओनली वन बैंक एवरी बैंक आपको
Yes,
बिल्कुल
sir.
जो क्वेश्चन हम बोल रहे हैं उसी क्वेश्चन आएगा.
Correct, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
now here I am discussing at a higher level with a chartered accountant about a credit officer program. Uh,
Yes, sir.
right now, you can take your mock. If you continue to be with me now, I will be here for this. After that, I will go to CWC and I'll be with CWC till 8:45. After 8:45, I will be coming out of 8 for CWC and there is one interview I have agreed. So probably 9:05 I can take your interview.
Sure, sir.
That's what it is. So you can stay with me up to 8 o'clock. Then you can come at 9:05. In CWC, I'll be discussing more about Central Warehousing Corporation, warehousing facilities, etc. That may not be very relevant for you. You
Yes, sir.
please go and be reading something. Okay.
Sure,
Now
sir.
this,
Yes, sir. I will.
but this is relevant for you. This is the provisioning norms in respect of standard assets. Agriculture means 0.25%, commercial real estate 1%, residential housing 0.75%, others 0.40%. Substandard होने से secured का 15%, unsecured का 25%. उसका बाद में जब वो doubtful asset होता है, depending on the year of the doubtful assets, first year to say 25%, 40%, 100%, ऐसा मपी provision चलता है. लॉस असेट्स बोलने से तो 100% पूरा प्रोविजन करना पड़ता है. मिस निकिला, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन on
Okay.
commerce related questions which is asked for credit officer interviews.
Okay.
And even in big PSU companies like Gale, For chartered accountants, they ask silly question. What are the three golden rules of bookkeeping? What is journal entry? How journal entry is moved on to profit and loss account and balance sheet. Some such silly questions they are asking. So be ready for such silly questions also.
Okay.
Tell
Okay,
about
sir.
double entry. So these are the questions. Tell about double entry bookkeeping, accounting concepts, going concern, cost concept, business entity concept. Tell about balance sheet, trial balance, etc., etc. It will go on be going like this. Then it will tell about what is cash flow, what is funds flow, what is ratio analysis, what is long-term liquidity. Like that, they will ask statutory, non-statutory audits, broad outline of company audit, internal management auditing, form of business organizations, like this, principles of organization, like all these priority sector advances, small finance banks. Then these are the real questions asked in interviews. Introduce yourself. Why do you want to come to bank? Why you did not apply for banking job before? What is CMA? Probably they may not ask you this. These are questions asked for scale 4, I think so, or possibly at a higher level. Scale 2, credit manager scale 2. So
Okay.
CMA, have you heard about CMA? Must have studied.
CMA, I have not heard about the CMA,
Credit monitoring arrangement.
credit monetary arrangement,
It is applicable for loans above 5 crores.
loans above 5 crores.
So please get to know some details about CMA.
Okay.
What is profitability ratio? This question they can ask you. What is
Okay.
formula for gross profit, net profit? What is debt equity ratio and what is its formula? Which sector at present is lucrative for financing? What comes under infrastructure financing? What is the process involved in financing road projects? How RBI adjusts liquidity in the economy? What are the types of government securities? What is HTM, held till maturity?
Hmm.
So here, 1 minute. This type of questions also can be asked such that they are not of a higher level, but slightly lower level. This was what was asked a few days back, 2 days back, in one group. What is self-help group? What is Atal Pension Yojana? What is LCR, liquidity ratio, coverage ratio? What is
Okay.
leverage ratio in respect of banks? What is SURFACE Act? Who is a Karta? What is FD interest rate? What do you understand by TDS, where it is applicable? What is LRS? Can you answer this LRS?
That audit report is LRS.
No, no. Acha, acha, acha. Not relating to audit, something related to economy.
Economy. I don't know what is LRS in economy related
Liberalized remittance system,
ratio system.
LPG,
LPG. Yeah.
then priority sector lending. These are latest questions. But these are all normal questions that are asked for candidates like Sumedh. What is the difference between savings bank, current account, agriculture credit, etc.? For you people, the questions I have already given you, namely this credit related questions, they will be asking you. Please prepare on these lines. Then regarding Federal Bank, you will have to go through Federal Bank website.
Yes.
Just a minute. Through me, nearly 600 plus candidates have joined in our Federal Bank. You have to believe me.
Okay.
600 plus are there in our this thing. Press hold the Windows key plus R. Windows key plus R. I'm just canceling it. That's right. Now, I was just trying to tell you about federalbank.co.in. Federalbank.co.in. Yeah. I wanted to show you this. Yeah.
Actually, the screen is not visible.
No, there is some problem in because I am in Canada, it's not coming. You know, many times when Federal Bank, when I put this, it will go to Federal Bank, Central Bank of the United States of America. So that is the problem. So let me try again, once again, and then it will put me into problem, now it has come. I am showing you this Federal Bank website. This Federal Bank web, Miss Nikila, what is more important for you to know is whatever I have shown you under that A 2023 interview questions. There are 400 pages of interview questions. Don't worry about that. Go through only this recent credit officer interview questions. You please go through them and prepare. And regarding Federal Bank, what they would expect you to know is that you should know Vidya Balan is the brand ambassador of our bank. You must know about our bank. You must know that there are 1 crore 90,000 happy customers. They have 1,589 branch outlets. They have nearly 2,000 plus ATMs and cash recyclers. They are very proud about all these things, and they are very proud about the founder of that KP Hormes, because they have lot of foundations in his name, whereby they try to say give corporate social responsibilities and all that. And you should also know the key personnel. I have already told you. If you go through this about us, you will know about say about this vision and mission, then what are the awards they have received, what are the corporate social responsibility they have released, their latest press release as on 31/4, which I have already summed up to you in the material given to you. So that is not a problem for you. Now, once you are through this, they will ask you with a view to find out, are you happy? Are you very confident? Which company are you working now?
PricewaterhouseCoopers,
Very
PwC.
good. Excellent. Have you taken any interview date from me? No.
No,
So when do you want interview schedule for you? Tomorrow?
tomorrow, yeah.
Tomorrow कितना बजे आएंगे आप?
Tomorrow,
आप तो
whether evening,
छुट्टी में है ना?
tomorrow I need to ask permission for the leave. Only emergency leaves are allowed. Since
कितना बजे आप वापस आ सकते हैं घर ऑफिस से?
actually currently I'm taking work from home from today onwards. Today evening onwards, I'm work from home.
So Philby, tell me, can you be free by 7:30 p.m. tomorrow?
Yes.
Yeah. Tell me your first five numbers only, Nikhila. Your first five cell numbers.
Finally.
1 minute.
9.
1 minute. Don't tell me. I will tell you. Confirm it is correct.
Okay.
944. Okay. Done. Please send a message to me agreeing to take class at 7:30 p.m. for mock interview. And your interview is day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow.
Don't you want one interview will do for you, or you want two?
One interview is sufficient.
Sufficient. Oh, okay. You come at 7 o'clock by
Okay.
7:30 p.m. tomorrow.
Okay. Okay.
I have given you a fairly good idea about what can be asked for you. इसका डिटेल्ड प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए, करके आ जाइए, हम जरूर आपको सक्सेस करने के लिए हेल्प करेंगे आपको. देन अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग
Hello.
एस्पेक्ट इज दैट प्राइस वाटर हाउस में क्या काम करते हैं उसका बारे में भी क्वेश्चंस होगा. आई विल आस्क यू इन
Okay.
योर मॉक इंटरव्यू. बेस्ट
Mm.
विशेस. थैंक यू.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I have stopped that.
Thank you. Yeah,
Now I
sure.
have to go for next Central Warehousing Corporation.
Okay. Can I
Yeah.
leave the
No,
meeting?
you can leave. You can leave. Please,
Thank you.
you can leave. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye. Next is Manali Sharma, Suranjana Sahu, Zoom user, Balakrishnan. All of you are going for Central Warehousing Corporation. Yesterday, I was telling you generally about Central Warehousing Corporation, these questions and all. Actually, let me ask you, Balakrishnan, what did you learn yesterday?
So basically, we have to be confident and get to know about ourselves as well as about the company, and be brief and like confident on what to talk. Would be the gist of what I learned yesterday.
But Balakrishnan, what are you doing now?
So I'm currently working in a fintech company.
You are working in a fintech company.
Yeah, it's Pfizer, so it works on like card payments.
Oh. Now, where is your company?
Actually, it's a US company, but I'm working from Chennai.
What is it actually you are doing?
So I develop software for Pfizer. So in their card settlements, I do like coding, and it's more like software.
Oh, something related to software.
Yes.
Mhm. Okay. Now, I was telling you about the management CWC link, na? Correct. I was showing you also about so many things I have opened. OneDrive. I think I would have given you the link yourself. Let me see there. CWC. Yeah, I am having it. All of you, please download all the documents and keep it in your laptop sometime. When my system doesn't work, I may request you to give it to me. Okay, that's it. Good. We will continue for today's session.